The consolidation period for Bitcoin simply will not last forever. That's a fact. In fact, we may even be on the precipice of an incredible Bitcoin rally moving us towards that six-digit situation. We could be in the first stages of that rally as early as the end of the week. Now, the end of the week, that's, we're looking towards like the 4th, which is Thursday. That happens to coincide with a massive event that could be bringing a wall of money coming in to Bitcoin. Now, we've seen these consolidation periods happen a lot during crypto bull markets. So if we look back to the last Bitcoin bull run, we had multiple times when we had this incredible run up and then, a consolidation period. It lasted for maybe a few days or a few weeks, and then the price pushed higher. So I think our consolidation period might be coming to its conclusion in the near future. BlockFi will be launching a Bitcoin trust in direct competition with Grayscale. So basically BlockFi will start offering shares on the stock markets that you can then buy, representing a piece of their Bitcoin trust. Now this is incredibly big news because it will be the third major Bitcoin trust on US markets if approved. Obviously Grayscale, it's incredible, and it famously buys more Bitcoin in a day than miners produce on a regular basis. February 4th. Now, why is this date important? Because it is the day after Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy has a seminar telling thousands of corporate executives exactly everything they need to know how to buy Bitcoin, including all the tricky little bits like accounting and compliance and how to buy, $500 million of Bitcoin without dramatically moving the markets. Now that $500 million Bitcoin withdrawal from Coinbase today, it was big. But in the grand scheme of things, it's just a drop in the bucket since corporations across the USA and of course globally are all sitting on big, fat, melting ice cubes of fiat. Even a few percent allocation from these guys to get some of their strategic cash reserves into Bitcoin could be tens of billions, potentially hundreds of billions of dollars. It's incredible. And if anyone is able to convince top executives at a big company to buy Bitcoin, it's Michael Saylor, the guy who literally put his money where his mouth is and bought an incredible amount of Bitcoin. This one event will likely be a massive catalyst for Bitcoin in February. So heck, it could be the event of the year that sees literally hundreds of corporations allocating to Bitcoin. I expect we're going to see some of our first announcements of companies saying we're going to do it, we're going to buy Bitcoin, or we've just bought Bitcoin, more likely, by the end of the week. So your question for today, do you believe that Bitcoin will be worth 6 digits this year? Are we going over $100,000 this year? I think so, but I'd be curious to know what you think.